In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your Photoshop file the right way. This quick, clear walkthrough will make sure your work is safely stored and ready to share without losing quality or editability. First, head to the top left corner of your screen and open the File menu, then choose Save As. This option creates a new copy of your work, which is perfect when you want to preserve an editable master and also make a version for sharing or the web. It keeps your original safe while giving you flexibility for different uses. Next, choose where you want to save the file. Pick a location you'll remember, like a dedicated project folder on your desktop or an organized documents directory. If you're working across devices, you might prefer a synced location, but for large files, a local folder can be faster. Consider creating a folder structure that groups assets, exports, and source files so you can quickly find what you need later. Now pick a format that matches your goal. If you want to keep all your layers, masks, adjustment layers, and smart objects intact for future editing, choose PSD. This is your fully editable master file and the best choice for ongoing projects. If you're preparing an image to share, upload, or send to someone who doesn't need to edit it, choose JPEG or PNG. JPEG is great for photos and general purpose sharing because it balances quality and file size with compression. PNG is ideal when you need crisp edges, transparency, or graphics with text and logos. Keep in mind that JPEG flattens layers and can introduce slight compression artifacts, while PNG preserves sharpness and supports transparent backgrounds. Give your file a clear, descriptive name. Good naming saves time later. Include the project name, a brief description, and a version or date if you plan to iterate, like Poster Concept V3 or Banner Web 2026-01. Avoid special characters that some systems don't like, and be consistent so files sort logically. Finally, click Save. Depending on the format, you may see a quick settings window. For JPEG, choose a quality level that suits your needs. Higher quality for print or detailed images, a slightly lower setting for smaller file size when speed matters. For PNG, you typically won't need to adjust much. For PSD, saving is straightforward and preserves everything for editing. That's it. File, save.